Hey everyone, if you are a college student, you know how stressful studying can be. Endless notes, difficult concepts, and last minute cramming. But what if I told you there is a way to study smarter, not harder? That is where ChatGPT comes in. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to summarize notes, generate practice questions, and improve your writing. So you can save time and get better grades. Let's get started. The first one ChatGPT uses for college students is summarizing notes. First up, summarizing your notes. Instead of reading pages and pages of lectures, slides, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize your notes in simple terms. For example, if you have a long chapter on thermodynamics, just copy and paste your notes and simply ChatGPT will summarize this chat. Let's say this is my then summarize 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 this in simple terms. Boom, you get a short, easy to read summary. Even better, you can ask it to explain concepts like you are 5 years old if something is too complex, let's say. And now let's see what it looks like. It is the page, the book, but ChatGPT will summarize this whole concept in only this. So you can use ChatGPT for these types of things. Instead of wasting hours rereading, you can get a clear summary in minutes. Smart and right. The second one is generating practice questions. Next, practice questions. We all know that quizzing yourself is one of the best ways to remember information. But instead of spending time creating your own, ask ChatGPT to do it for you. For example, generate 10 multiple choice question choice questions on thermodynamics. Now, and just like that, ChatGPT gives you a set of questions. If you want to challenge yourself, you can even say, don't give me the answer, I'll try them first. Let's say, don't give the answer, I will try it first. So ChatGPT will give you 10 multiple questions without giving its answer. So you can challenge yourself using these practicing strategies. This method helps you actively recall information, which is way better than just reading notes passively. Third one is it is improving your writing. We all have been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to start an essay or a research paper. Well, ChatGPT can help. Just type something like that. For example, give me an outline for essay on renewable energy. Then look at this. Here is a clear outline for your essay on renewable energy. So the title is The Importance and Future of Renewable Energy. There is introduction. Yes, introduction, types of renewable energy, advantage, challenge, future of renewable energy, and conclusion. So you can also use um, ChatGPT for these types of essays or some improving your writings. If and it gives you a structured outline to guide your writings. If you already writing your essay, then you can copy and make it more strong. Like like by for example, if I want to take this paragraph, then uh, make this just like sound more pro professional and concise. Professional and concise. Then ChatGPT will give this more more professional and concise. So we can also use these methods to write essay, so we don't have to waste more times by fighting with each letters. We only say copy, then paste on ChatGPT, make it more professional and concise. It cleans up your writing without changing your ideas. So the first one is creating study schedules. If you are like me, you probably wait until the last minute to study, but ChatGPT can actually help you create a realistic study schedule. Just type create a 2-week study plan for final exams. It's like covering thermodynamics. Covering thermodynamics. So it splits your topic into manageable chunks, so you don't have to cram everything in one night. This is a game changer for time management. As you can see, the first week is foundation and core concepts. It splits each week in days and topics. Then the first week and the first day is thermodynamic basics. The second day is energy and work, so topics to cover, study method. The third day is also heats for entropy, and the second week will covers advanced topics and final reviews. 8, 9, 10. So each day will have its topics, and ChatGPT will give you like these schedules. So ChatGPT also used for these types to generate schedules in every aspects and every courses. This is all about this, and that is with ChatGPT you can summarize notes, generate practice questions, improving writing, and create study schedules all in a few minutes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments how to use ChatGPT for studying. I love to hear your ideas. See you in the next one. Thank you.